Ah man, I hate Giga Bowser so much. I don't know what to do to him, but he deserves a punishment. Oh, you know what I am going to do? I am going to give him an ESA screen. Ha 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 ha. No, EAS screen. Ha 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 ha. Warning. There is a violent tornado in this area. Warning. There is a violent tornado coming to this area. Oh my god. But it looks sunny and bright outside. I agree. Someone has tampered with the EAS screen. Oh. We found out that this was a fault. We have found out that this TV was hacked. Who was the one who did it? What's going on here? Well, someone tampered with our TV and gave us a fake EAS screen when we were about to watch the TV. I know who did it. It was Zombie. Oh my god, we gotta call Diamond Zombie right now. He will be in big trouble. So, Zombie, how dare you give Giga Bowser and Giga Princess a fake EAS screen? You know, they could have thought their lives were generally in danger, and then you know you're not supposed to hack TV screens as well. Also, giving fake ESA screens could also land you in jail. Now go upstairs to your room right now, and you'll be grounded for 17 days.